Hi everyone, my name is Ken Chandra and I'm from HIT381 of Human Computer Interaction Design. And today I will do my user testing with the selected user. And in our, I'm from group 2, and then in our group we got me, Ken Chandra, and then Martin Julian Santa Cruz and Mahat Sarwar. And we are making the anti-tourism app, which is basically an all-in-one booking app. So in this app you can read articles about your holiday, and then you can create a booking, and then create a booking for the holiday as well, and then booking for the accommodation as well, and as well you can read the review and rating, and then we can read the secure payment, or we can do the secure payment in the app as well. So this page, so we will be concerning about functionality testing, and for today's testing I got my colleague with me, Mike Abrahams, and we will go through the ethics form and the information form and then the consent form. So the ethics form is concerning all the required things while developing our prototype here, which we have filled out. And then we got the information form regarding what are we going to make and all our team members have agreed to do so. Then we get consent form that I have showed to Mike, and then that he agreed and he have signed on this consent form as well. And Mike, I have contacted Mike directly from face to face, asking him to do the user testing with our group, and then he agreed to do so, and he's happy to do so. And I've given him the consent form. I've explained and went through him what the consent form is about, and he has agreed and he has signed it. And from there, we are currently here, and we're going to do the user testing based on our Figma prototype. Mike, I'll hand it over to you.
Okay, look, I accept the testing, etc. You gave me an overview of what your app is about, and now I will go and check what the functionalities on your app is. So I'm going to log in to your site. I can see your application has come up. I see you've got various navigation bars on this. I just want to play around with it. So I can see you've got a home page,
Yeah.
where you've got manage booking, contact us, edit profile, and go back. Manage booking, if I click on that. So this is a page where I can go and edit. I notice your back button is not working, so I'll go back to the home page.
Yeah.
Is there any particular reason why that is not working, Ken?
We actually did put the back feature on it, but for some reason when you click on it, it doesn't want to work. That's what we're trying to figure out.
Okay. So basically, you're still in the process of developing this app. This is just for the functionality to see if it flows. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. So if I go and I choose, I want to go to Kakadu or Litchfield or Jabiru, I just click on it. Okay, it comes up with information about that area, what it's about, etc. Yeah, I can confirm I want to go there, and I see it comes up with a location, it comes up with a yearly weather forecast. Okay, so basically I can look at this and I can see which days are sunny, etc., and which week is sunny, which week I want to go. Okay, so if I click and select a week, I get the book now scenario, and I get question, existing user or not. Okay, I'm an existing user, I've logged on before. Okay, username, password to enter. You're still working on that, I can see. Okay, book. So I'll put in my name, my address, my telephone number, and my email. Okay, those are the details you require when I'm booking. Okay, I confirm my booking. How many guests, adults, kids, etc. Okay, and then I choose a date, and then I proceed to pay. Now I've got a selection of card, etc. I can use Afterpay, Zip, and credit card. Okay, if I go to credit card, I fill in my details. I go to pay now. I get a congratulations, and I get an itinerary and costs. Okay, I get to know my itinerary. If I need to change anything, okay, that back doesn't work. Manage booking. Okay, so I can go and I can edit whatever I need to do, or I can cancel. Okay, then I can go back to the main screen. Now I see there's reviews. Okay, so you've got a review page where I can go and write a review, etc. Okay, that button works. Recommendations is the ones that come up on the first screen. And card. Oh, I see there's a live chat. Oh, that's good. Okay, so I can chat in this box and talk to your admin. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay, go back. Okay, so basically, Kenzie, I understand your application. And I see there's quite a bit of for you to do from a perspective of the different pages that you need to add. But basically, the functionalities of the different processes of flow, I don't find a problem in it.
All right.
I assume that you're going to be adding different colors and stuff like that and improving it from an aesthetics perspective. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, I was actually quite happy going through your application. I think I'll be able to use it with ease.
Okay.
I don't foresee a problem, provided all those buttons and stuff that you need to actually start correcting, etc. Right? For your app to be fully functional. I'll accept that. And basically, I think it's a good app.
Thank you. Now I got some questions for you to ask after I finish this user testing. So, how easy for you to understand the jargons and words used across the site?
Okay, look, as an English-speaking person, I've had no problems with it, and I'm assuming you've only got this for Australia, or you've got it worldwide?
Worldwide.
Worldwide, okay. So basically, internationally, the international language is English, basically. So I don't find any problems with the wording, etc. on your application. I think anyone could understand it.
Perfect, thank you. Moving on, is it easy for you to navigate to the next step? Or through?
Looking at your application, I could understand what I needed to go through, and the reason being is that I know how to use web applications, etc. So my skill level is better than average. So I could understand the navigation, etc. And I feel that I don't see anybody having a problem trying to navigate through your application, provided all your functionalities are working.
Right.
Because I understood them.
Thank you. And then, is the application easy to use?
I don't see a problem in it. I think it's fairly easy to use.
Alright. And how do you find the overall layout of the site, of the application?
Okay, the layout, I can see that it goes from your login pages, etc. And as you click them, you can go there, and you should be able to go backwards, which I can understand you're still in the process of doing that and correcting those buttons of yours. But I can see you've got the concept of going back to different pages, etc. I think it was good where you've got the cancellation and the escape routes, etc. to follow. I didn't see a problem in that. So it's actually fairly easy to use.
Thank you.
And the layout is good.
And then last one is, are there any pages that we should take out or we should add in our application?
From my perspective at this moment in time, I don't think there's any pages that you could add or take out. I think it was fairly easy to understand it going to a map, being able to check your route, being able to check your itinerary. I think you've covered the basics of a normal app such as this, and I think it's fairly usable if it goes to the open market.
Perfect, thank you very much. So that concludes our user testing for today. Thanks for participating, Mike.
No worries, mate.
And then we will try to improve our app based on Mike's review, and then hopefully we'll go from there. Thank you very much.